Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somi, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a full makeup look with affordable Nigerian brands, basically the ones you know. If you're a beginner and you don't know where to start from, you don't know how to go about your makeup journey, this video is good for you and it's the right video you need to watch before trying anything or trying any product. So let's dive right into the video and make sure you're learning and don't skip any part of this video. As a beginner, the first thing you actually want to do for the model's face or for your face is to prep your skin. You need to moisturize it and you need to make it ready for the makeup and for the foundation. And for prepping your skin, you need a primer or a moisturizer. You can actually use both or you can use them separately. For primer, I use this Kiss Beauty foundation primer. For my eyebrow, I use this eye pencil stick, which you can get like anywhere. It's very affordable for a beginner makeup artist. I'm going to outline the brows. A very light line, you're going to just light upward strokes just here. So once I'm done using my eye pencil to outline my brows, I'm going ahead to like conceal or to like clean them up with a concealer. And for the down part of my eyebrow, I use this Eyeliner Pro concealer in yellow corrector. So for the top part of my eyebrow, I'm going in with Eyeliner Pro concealer because it kind of matches my skin tone, so it will be easy for me to blend it out. So after doing this, you're going in to blend some concealer on your eyelid so that it can act as a base for your eyeshadow. Okay, for your eyeshadow, you need to set that concealer you've applied on your eyes, which I'm going to use this Zickel powder palette. I'm going to use the lightest color, which is like natural, and I'm going to set that concealer on my eyes. As a beginner, the first design or first eyeshadow style you should learn is this natural looking eyeshadow, and for that you have to use a brown eyeshadow color. If you don't have a brown eyeshadow color, you can still use that brown in the Zickel powder palette to achieve this look. So I'm going in with this brown color. So once you've done like applied the brown all over your eyes, next thing you need to do is to apply a glittery eyeshadow on the inner corner of your eyes, yeah, so that it can brighten up your eyes. And it depends on the attire you're wearing. As for me, I am going to put a green glitter because of my hair tie, and I'm going in with this my eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this green glitter here. Sorry, this green glitter. So on to the next thing I'm going to do is my face. I'm going to actually be using a popular brand of foundation, and that's the Care foundation. I'm going to be using all over my face. So using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to just blend it all over my face. So guys, after blending it well, you're going in with your concealer, the same concealer I showed you guys, the Eyeliner Pro concealer, yellow corrector and fawn. So you're going to apply it on your eyes, and you're going to apply it in this way. The light one in the front, the darker one at the edge. Your lipstick can act as a blush for you, so you don't need to go and start buying a blush. So what I do is to just add my concealer and then just 1 or 2 dots of this and blend it out. So the next thing I'm going to do is to contour my nose, and basically I use my Zickel powder palette, blending it into my eyebrow so that my makeup will look natural. So after contouring my face, I'm going to set my concealer with the powder from this palette as well. I'm going in with my Maybelline New York eyeliner, and very nice. It's a marker eyeliner, so I'm going to use it. It's like best for people that have like shaky hands. So ever since I bought it, like very nice to me, and I apply eyeliner and it looks so neat. So you can actually get yours. So after applying my eyeliner, I'm going next to fix my false lashes. So guys, I've fixed my lashes, and the next thing I'm going to do is to set my face. For setting my face, I use this powder. I just buy it because it's very nice. So for my lip, I'm going to go in with that same cheap eye pencil stick. Yeah, so I'm going to use it to outline my lip. Then I'm going in with a nude color or a peach color lipstick, and I'm going to apply it here. The next thing I'm going to do is to dust off my powder. After cleaning, I'm going to set my face with my setting spray from Fizz Beauty. I'm going to let it dry. So once it's dry, the next thing I'm going to apply is my powdered blush. So I'm going to apply it on the side, up. Then I'm going to go in with my highlighter. So at the end of the day, this is how you should look once you follow this tutorial that I've given to you guys. And you can see that most of all these products I use are actually affordable, and they're Nigerian products. It's not that you have to like go far to get them. You can get them at any cosmetic or beauty shop around you. And as a beginner makeup artist, you can see that it's not so difficult to do makeup. It just takes like, you just have to be consistent and you have to go for it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and also like this video and comment and share with your family and friends, because there'll be more and lots of people that want to see this content or needs to see this content right now. So do well to share this video, and that'll be all for today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.